Hello, dear viewers. We'll take up the next example on interfacing the peripherals to LPC2148, that is the buzzer. So, interfacing the buzzer to LPC2148 is the objective of this program, of the session. So, the problem statement goes like this: write an embedded C program to blow the buzzer on and off. Let's see what's the interfacing diagram. The interfacing diagram again consists of ULM 2803, which is the high current, high voltage driver IC, and the P0.24, that is of the buzzer, is connected to PC1 of ULM 2803, and the output of it, that is the out2, right, is connected, out3 rather, is connected to the buzzer in output. So the buzzer is connected in this diagram as shown, wherein the output of ULM2803 is connected to one pin of the buzzer, while the other pin of the buzzer is connected to 5 volts. So on sending a value of 1 on P0.24, you'll be able to blow the buzzer on. Let's quickly have a look at the program. Hash include LPC17XX includes the header file. Then we have taken a variable as int I. The LPC pincon pin select 1. Here we have used pin select 1. Why? Because it's P0.24, which corresponds to that of the pin select 1. Because pin select 0 is used between 0.0 to 0.15, and the remaining all will be associated with pin select 1. The FDI resistor used here is made as 1 to configure P0.24 as the output pin. Now look here, we have used a different way of configuring the bit using the left shift operator. Next, enter into the main program. The GPIO 0 is being used, wherein the FIO set, that is fast input output set, bit is set equal to 1. Again, the P0.24 bit is set equal to 1, which makes the buzzer on. Then call the delay so that you'll be able to hear the buzzer being on for certain duration of time. And then again you clear off that particular bit P0.24, wherein the buzzer will be off. You call the delay. So this process keeps repeating. Hope the program and the logic is clear to you. Let us go ahead with the execution of the program. So the program is being executed, and let's see how it really works. Here goes the program.
Save and build it, and then we have to download. So we have already created the hex file. Then we'll take the hex file of the buzzer and say open. So the settings remain the same, wherein you have got LPC1768, the COM port, the baud rate. Then finally we have to of the flash. Then we are we'll browse for the hex file corresponding to the program of buzzer, and then we'll start. Once it starts, then the program is being verified and it's downloading. You can see the buzzer is connected over here. This is a buzzer which is connected, and you can see the P.
So this is how goes with the program, and we have seen that the buzzer is on for the given pin, that is P0.24. A pretty simple example. It's just to understand clearly the programming of the GPIOs. Thank you. In the next session, we will learn about interfacing all these peripherals which we have seen as individual. Right? We have seen how to put the buzzer on and off, and we have also discussed about the LED and the relay to put it on and off. There is a new introduction of the switch. Right? So a most important program which goes into our next session is how will we interface the switch, the buzzer, the LED as well as a relay to ARM Cortex M3, that is LPC 1768. Thank you.